This intelligent machining cell highlights robotic part picking, load, unload, and inspection. An M710 IC50 with IR Vision 3DL picks raw parts from a wheeled cart, takes them to a vision inspection station for error checking, and places them on a transfer stand. The M710 IC70T top loader robot, also with IR Vision 3DL, picks and loads a part from the stand into the first of two FANUC Alpha T 14IF robo-drill machines. The top loader then unloads the semi-finished part from the first robo-drill and loads it into the second one. Upon completion, the M710 IC70T transfers the finished part to a part drying stand, from which a second M710 IC50 robot with IR Vision 3DL picks and then manipulates it against a compliant deburring tool. Finally, the second M710 IC50 robot places the completed part onto a second transfer stand. All three robots use FANUC dual check safety speed and position check software.